This video is sponsored by JJ Drones, the droning veteran, and Chillin' in Indiana Carl. Alright guys, welcome back to Off the Hook Outdoors. I'm Ted, your host. And today I am using my Yolotek stick for the first time. Trying it out here. It's a little windy. It's the middle of the afternoon. So I'm just trying to see how the Yolotek stick operates and see if I can catch a couple fish. But it's like I said, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. There's a ton of boats out here, and I just want to sort of get a feel for the way it looks and how it works and things like that. So I think it's holding up pretty good, but stay tuned and we will see if we get any fish. Alright guys, so I got off of the main lake a little bit. I'm back in this canal, as you can see. I'm just going to go down the canal. I'm going to throw, I got on my Senko, the black and blue flake. And I'm just going down these shorelines, flipping little pieces of wood and things like that. And get out of the main boat traffic. But this video is all about the Yolotek stick, the Power Stick. If you want to check one out yourself, I'll have it in the description of this video. I'm using the Yolotek stick with my GoPro 10, and I have the DJI mics rigged up to it with the GoPro Media Mod Kit. So if anybody's interested in this setup, then it'll be in the description of my video. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens. Well, I had a little tap, but nothing. I think it's one of them little ones in here. It's a little shady in this area here, so I'm just throwing it around, see if I can't pick something up this afternoon. There's a hit right there, guys, so we'll see. Yep, they're the little ones. Little rock bass. I caught a few rock bass in here this morning. So yeah, beautiful day out. I'm wishing everybody a happy Memorial Day weekend. Be safe with your families. Hopefully you guys are having a lot of fun this weekend. I've been on the go for 100 mile an hour since Friday, so it's kind of nice to get out here on the water myself for a little bit, just to like I said, check out the cameras, make sure everything's working. And I wanted to show you guys how this Yolotek stick and everything works. And it plugs in right into the back of the boat where your light plugs into. It's super simple. Okay guys, so here's the setup right here. It's in the back of my boat. It's plugged in to the navigation light. And there's a stick right there with the GoPro 10, the DJI mic on it. And that's it. And whenever you're getting low, you can see right here, there's a green light. Let me press this. The green light comes on and you have full power and your GoPro's charging. There you go guys, that's my setup for the day. We'll be right back. All right, we got little hits here. There's one. All right, we got our first fish of the day. And it's a little small, it's a little rock bass, just like I thought. Back in this corner, these little rock bass, they're pretty aggressive. So let me get this out of here. There's a rock bass, guys. All right, that's what we're not looking for. That I'm actually looking for a big one for the Shane Flint tournament. We're gonna keep at it on these logs. There's a bunch of logs laying in here. See all the bobbers hanging in the tree. So there's another hit, guys. Little baby hit. So that's them little fish under here. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, so there are literally hundreds of boats on the water. So I come down this canal to see if I can't just get out of the boat traffic and just The whole idea of this is to get a, let's see, I think I'm getting a hit here, guys. There's one right there, guys. Nice one. That is another rock bass. Thick one right here, guys. So we're catching fish. He got the whole Senko in his mouth. That is crazy. Let me get a pair of pliers here. But yeah, he's got the whole Senko in his mouth. Here we go. Right there, guys. Let him go. But we're catching fish, which is a good thing, just the wrong kind of fish. But yeah, there's literally hundreds of boats out there, and I wanted to get out here and check out this Yolotek stick. So that's the reason why I came out in the middle of the afternoon, is to try that out, because I just bought that this weekend. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's nice and cool in these back channel here. So, and I'll do a little review or a little breakdown of the Yolotek stick, a little close-up view and everything on it. But all of the information will be in the description to this video if you guys want to go purchase one. They're about 160 bucks for the whole package. It comes with a tether, comes with a boat decal, a tether, and some wax. In case it's raining out, you can put wax around all your electrical connections so you don't get wet. So, all right, we'll be right back. Yep, there's another one, guys. It's another rock bass. There's a ton of them in there. Oh, just got off. That's good. Yeah, there's a ton of rock bass in here. But at least we're catching something. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so at least we're getting some action. But yeah, a lot of it will be setting up like the angle. It looks pretty good on here, where I'm at. But I think you could see a lot of what I'm fishing right now. So I wanted to do that to have like a little bit of a wider view of everything instead of like the up close view. I'll still do both, but I did want the Yolotek stick for the battery and stuff like that. So it's really cool to have that now for the channel. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, there's one. There's a little bass, little largemouth. Right in between that dock there. It's like shadows here. It's real sunny out today, so even though the water's kind of cold, I wanted to still hit these shadows, because fish still like it, no matter if it's warm or cold out. And when it's sunny out, they like the shadows. So there's another one. Here's a crappie on a Senko. So I got a crappie here. Little crappie. There's a bunch of wood here that I'm fishing, so who knows what you're going to pull out of this stuff. Another one. Let's see what this is. Oh, there was a little rock bass again. He got off, and he took my Senko. All right, well, I'm going to put another one on, and we'll be right back. Yep, got another one. Little bass. Little bass. Little largie. Right in this little pile of green stuff in front of me. I think I'm going to throw the frog in here too. See what happens. Let me put this on. I'm going to put this on my rod here, and I'm going to throw a frog here. Just see if there's anything that wants to eat a frog. We're going to take it. We're going to just throw into this. I don't know if you can see the green that's in front of me, them green beady stuff. We're just going to throw the frog out there and just bring it through. Never know. That wasn't a great cast, so we're going to just try to see if we can't get something to bite it. Yeah, there's green. This the wind's blowing all this green stuff into this corner. So I wanted to try to throw these frog just on that green stuff in case there's something under there that wants to eat a bigger meal. Because basically the last weekend and this weekend has been just basically the pig sticks or the SENKOs, one or the other. Real slow, like a wacky style. So they haven't been real aggressive. The fish are really cold too, but the temperature is 65 degrees. So it's not perfect temperatures yet for top water, but I still like to throw it. So, all right, you guys stay with me, and we're gonna hit a couple more spots. All right, there's another one. Another largemouth. All right, well, we're gonna duck under this little bridge here. You can hear the cars probably driving above us. It's a little low, so it might get a little bit dim here, the light. But I've caught fish under here before. We're gonna go through this and hit this little cove on the side here and see what happens. But yeah, duck your head. Nice and cool under here. All right, oh, there's one, guys, right there off of that edge, just like I said. They're all these small males. Just got to find the big females. Just got to find the big females. A ton of the small males are around, just not the big ones yet. Okay, so here's what it comes with, guys. It comes with the actual stick itself, and it has two USB ports that you can plug in your phone or anything. It has a mount, a GoPro mount at the top here, and you can take this off and you can put like a phone mount, so if you're live streaming. It comes in the bag. Here is your connectors. The USB side, it's got your GoPro, it's got your Android and your iPhone cable, so that comes with it. It comes with a tether. The tether is to put it to your boat cleat so you don't lose your Yolotek stick. It comes with some silicone putty that you can put for your electrical connectors. It also comes with the Yolotek sticker, some dielectric grease also. But yeah, this is a very, very cool little feature to have on your boat when you're recording. And this also, you can see here, it extends up to 4 feet. So that is the Yolotek stick. It has the two, I wanted to show you this, has the two USBs, and then also it extends, both extend out, so about 4 feet. So that's plenty from when you're fishing on your boat. This loosens up and can move, this ball can move. And also this GoPro connector can come off, this adapter, and you can put a phone connector on there also so you can live stream. That's what I plan on doing with it. But it's very durable. It's called a Power Stick by Yolotek. So check them out in my description of my video. I wanted to say thank you for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that. And if you do follow my channel, I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So like I always say, take a kid fishing or hunting. We'd like to pass that on and preserve our sport and pass it on to future generations. And we will see ya.